It was nothing short of bizarre to see that incident at the Gibson relays in the first heat of the women's 60 meters dash, only to find out after that's not a 60 meters dash, but was indeed a 70 meters dash. Now, this is not like Jamaica. We don't do this kind of foolishness in track and field in Jamaica. Maybe we do that kind of thing in football, but not in athletics in Jamaica. Or maybe in some other little country or republic. Of course, this boo-boo does not define the 50th anniversary of the Gibson relays. But if we go on like it never happened, it might happen again. If we expose this inexplicable act, people will take more care not to let it happen again. Other than that, though, the Gibson relays was good. It was good competition, good performances. It was a good precursor to champs. And speaking of champs, to whom it may concern, champs is a much bigger international event than Gibson. So try and make sure the tape measure a work for champs. Yes, I don't want a 100-meter run and it turned out to be 120 meters or a 200-meter race run, only be here at 220 or 190 meters run. So borrow this and make sure the measure it right.